What's up everyone, I'm Simple Rex, and today I'm showing off a creation I built. This is a Lego boat. I used the Lego City camper. Pepper's climbing on my table again. Sorry about that, guys. My cat climbed on the table and I didn't want him knocking this over because this took me a long time to build. I'm going to show you the design pretty much. It doesn't have really many play features, but yeah. The stand here was actually pretty fun to design. I'll show you what this thing at the top here is. If you're wondering where I'm recording this in my kitchen, on my house. This is the only minifigure I held on to. I lost the other two that came with the camper. That's beside the point, though. I figured as much, it made sense anyway. That's beside the point. Okay. So let me get into features. Let me kind of show the exterior of the build first. Oop, try not to break it. I don't want to break it. So this little door here is a rudder. As you see, there's like a little front deck right there. As you can see in there, there's a little bit of interiors. There is an interior. You can see the seat and all that. There's a wrench right there for working on the boat, but I'll show you that when I get onto the interior. The roof here comes off in two pieces. I'll show you that in a minute. This is just the lower part that goes over here. As you can see, there's not really much interior, but a little steering wheel. This right here is supposed to be a refrigerator, and then you got a random can right there. I don't know what it contains, but yeah. You got a chair that actually used to sit up here, but I might actually move this one over here. But yeah, removing the stand is actually pretty hard. Try not to break it. The stand isn't hard to remove. Crap. Sorry about that, guys. My cat knocked my camera over. Yeah, as you can see, the little stand is actually really easy to remove. Okay. So this is I'm just gonna remove the rudder. Yeah, I use a vehicle door as a rudder, so yeah. Trying to get it to focus. Oh crap. Sorry, as phone is being stupid. What time is it? What time is it? 4:17. This is the wrench. Come on now. The one accessory the minifigure would come with is the wrench. Well, I guess you can count this little can right here as an accessory, but I'm not. So accessing the interior is actually really easy. These little window pieces come off, and sometimes this little 1x2 plate comes off. These come off. This right here is like a little gate. It opens and it goes into the cabin, or mainly just lower deck. This right here is supposed to be kind of like a counter with a glowing top. I was going to use a different piece, but yeah. Here's the refrigerator I was talking about. Oh. That is the refrigerator. it just comes off real easy. So pretty much in order to build the refrigerator, these are the 4 pieces you would need to build the refrigerator, so this is going to be pretty hard to do with one hand. Oh, crap. Okay, it's already on. Okay, and then you would want to attach this 2x2 plate. Or no, that's a 1x2, not a 2x2. Here's a, yeah, there's yourself a little Lego fridge. And then you just put it on the boat. But yeah, now it's time to put everything back on, and then what I'm going to do is I'll show you the second part of the boat, which is the sorry, I don't mean to be panting, it's just hot today, and yeah, it's pretty hot and humid today, so please bear with me. But yeah, so there's the boat. Okay, this is the next part. I'll just reattach that for now. This thing can be a pain in the butt to rebuild, especially putting the little thing here. I'll show you that. Sorry about that. So up here, this is like a little cabin basically. So let's get our little hamster here, aka our test guy, and it actually lays in there pretty good. Here, so there you go. He would sleep in there like that. So yeah, that is my Lego boat mock. I'll show you how to put this thing back together. I'll show you how I put this thing back together. Oh, crap. Hold on. So I just got the antenna attached. So I used a couple like spyglass pieces. Now putting this on. Putting that on. After reassembling that, yeah. So that has been my Lego boat mock. It's a fun little build. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Goodbye, everybody.